This week, I've been using the advanced trading management. I created the same strategy twice. I've just changed one configuration, the exit. Same money, same building blocks, half of the drawdown, half of the stagnation. If you don't know why this matters, stay. This is what keeps you in the game. What is ATM? Advanced Trade Management. Standard strategy has an entry, a profit target, a stop loss, a trailing stop, a break-even, exit. ATM overrides this default. It has an entry and the exit is in two parts, 33 and 66%. Same setup, different management. In one we have 100% and the other one two parts, 33 and 66. This is my configuration. In 3 lines, advanced trade management. This is like a hidden functionality of StrategyQuant. It's experimental, but I can tell you that it works for MetaTrader 5. I will demonstrate how it works. If you go to Builder and you enable this, you can set up this. Recently, I've been playing with this functionality. We want to get out in 2 trades, right? Instead of one, take profit, I want to get out one at 33% and the other one 66, or the way around. So in the first, I'm gonna get out in a multiple of the stop loss, between the half of the stop loss until the maximum. The same for take profit, half and the double. Fixed profit, never use fixed pips, use an ATR based, and the period between 10, 20, and this is the multiple between 1.5 and 3. The same for trailing stop, never click this. As I mentioned, 33% in the first exit, 66 in the second one. So let's go to the strategy. This one in ATM is the one that are using the ATM. Both of them has the same entry indicator, ADX. So if you see here, the first trade, the exit is by trailing stop, and if you see, it's the half of the first entry. The next trade, the exit number 2 is trailing stop, is the same amount. In the third trade, you will see that enter 12th of November is this time is no trailing stop, but is the stop loss. So you can see in the same strategy, we can have several ways of going out. It can be a trailing stop, stop loss, and you can see this kind of exit, right? And then in the other one, if you see here, the trailing, this one has a trailing stop, yeah, but it's the whole position, the 100% of the size. Let's see to the overview. In the one that doesn't have ATM, you see that we have a drawdown of 18%. Same period of time, same money. And the other one has a drawdown of 7.44. So this is a very interesting functionality of StrategyQuant. You can, even after you find your strategy with no ATM, you can add an ATM. I don't use it a lot, but I like to have few strategies with technique. This is good that you have some of strategies with this technique. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like. It's important for me. Thank you.